Hello everybody. So today we're going to be going over how to do a barbell bench press. With the barbell bench press, we first want to make sure that we have our proper setup. Now, proper setup usually consists of 5 points of contact. We want our butt on the bench, we want our head on the bench, our upper back, and both of our feet firmly on the ground. As you can see here, I have a heels elevated position. This is more of a power lifter stance where you can incorporate leg drive in order to improve the maximum amount of weight you can lift. Now, an important component of a barbell bench press is having the optimal grip width. Changing the grip width can change the total involvement of the triceps or chest. I like to have most beginners start with a thumb's grip width distance from the inside of the bar in order to have a medium grip width, or have your hands right in front of your shoulders. Next, we want to make sure that we have our lats firmly engaged by squeezing our shoulder blades together almost like you're trying to pinch the bench. We can then create a slight arch in the lower back. No, this does not cause any sort of pain or discomfort unless you have a previous injury. This slight arch will help us reduce the range of motion needed to perform the repetition. Next, when we unrack the bar, ensure that the bar is not too low as you're performing almost a partial rep at that point, and make sure it's not too high where you have to bring your shoulders off of the bench. Your shoulders should stay back throughout the entire exercise. Firmly squeeze the bar and brace your core or flex your abs before performing. You will then inhale, descend the bar to your chest, where you'll then press up and exhale. Ensure that when you perform the repetition, you move the bar straight up and not up and back. Moving the bar back could cause a serious risk factor and cause horizontal displacement, which will reduce the amount of weight you are allowed to lift. Now, for safety reasons, I would always suggest having pins low enough that if you were to fail the repetition, the pins could safely catch the weight. If your gym does not have pins, please use a spotter. And finally, if you do not have a spotter, I would highly suggest simply doing a dumbbell bench press so you could safely ditch the weight to the side if you are unable to perform. Thank you all for watching, and I hope this video helps.